everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kathy, and I am on a journey of cleaning my house and decluttering it. And we are on week 7. And in week 7 we're working on the dining room. Now what I did in the dining room basically was I cleaned everything. Got the cobwebs off the ceiling, cleaned all the marks off the walls that I happen to see, dust around all the pictures, make sure all the dust was thin, the baseboards, got those taken care of, cleaned the air ducts, and cleaned the windows and the curtains, and cleaned off the table and put up the decorations, which will be changing soon again. And I rearranged a little bit of the furniture. The snowman stays out all year. Something has to be in that high chair since I have no grandchildren. And decorated, moved the furniture around a little bit to make it, give it a fresh look for the next year. And then what I did was I went and cleaned this part of the room. I'll swing you around. Okay, this is the pie safe and our hutch. Now those took the most work. Mainly because that's where the dishes are at and where the tablecloths and the linens are at. So what you need to do to declutter in this room is to make sure that all the linens, napkins, and tablecloths that have stains in them are either washed and the stains removed or tossed. Declutter, get rid of anything that you don't need. Make sure your china is stored correctly. Make sure it's clean. If you haven't used it for a while, like we all have special linen and special china that we don't use but once or twice a year. Make sure those are clean and don't have any chips in them. And if they have chips, either get them repaired, replaced, or toss them. If you keep any serving dishes in here, make sure they're clean and put away nicely. I like to have entertainment in here, so I have a boom box in that desk over there that allows us to have music in here. Basically, this is an easy room to clean. We have a little setting area for games or to have tea in the morning if you just want to look out the windows. I've got all the windows closed up right now with curtains in front because we have 6 inches of snow out there and more on its way. So I'm trying to conserve heat as much as possible. But that is all you have to do for the dining room to get it looking nice. Like I said, this was a quick room to do and I enjoyed it. And I usually have a pestle going this time of year, and as you see, I've got the pestle already out and waiting. So as soon as this video is done, I'm going to be breaking that pestle open and starting a pestle. I always do a pestle when it's snowing outside. You can't do anything else. So I hope you are staying safe. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. Bye.